Alright, so neighbors, today I'm gonna be giving y'all a POV of what it sounds like with a stock exhaust and a catted down pipe. So when I crank it up, it's automatically gonna connect to the car, so it might sound a little crazy, but just bear with me while I do all that. And I gotta watch the daily too, man. Look at those. It did a big brake kit on it, and man, the brake disc just stays on there, bro. I don't even know how to get it all off. Like, I always have to watch that. But yeah, we're gonna watch this today, and we're gonna do that POV. So yeah, we'll pick up when I'm turning out of the complex. So neighbors, I'm gonna do what I can as far as POV goes. The car wash isn't really far from the house. I would go that way, but I don't really know that way as well as taking the interstate. Then again, what's crazy, I probably should go that way because I'm pretty sure the interstate is about to be backed up with people getting off work. So, but then again, I'm going, not coming, so I shouldn't have too much traffic. But yeah, we're gonna see. Like, this intersection right here is a killer. Either they're coming or they're coming. Like, as of right now, nobody's coming from that side, but now you got everybody coming from over here, and when they're done coming, the people from the opposite side gonna be coming. So it's hell getting out of here sometimes. Hold on. So you don't really hear the turbo flood in this car like you did in my last one. Well, that's a little different, but mind you, I'm also driving in regular mode. I don't have it in sports mode, so the valves aren't open. It's a little louder with the valves open, even though it's still a stock exhaust with a catted down pipe. When you put it in sports mode, it opens up so you get more of the burbles and things like that. It still does that, even though it's in this mode that I have it in now. It doesn't do it as often when you're downshifting. So in stock mode, I got it in 6. Like, if you hear that, the valves are closed right now, so you're not going to get a lot of those burbles and things that you would normally get if I had the valves open in sports mode. But yeah, I didn't get on the interstate because the traffic was already hanging off the lane when you merge on. So I was like, yeah, I'm just going to take the city. But upcoming next, I'm going to just open the valves up, and we'll see if it's a difference then. But to do that, you put it in sports mode. When you put it in sports mode, it's going to open the valves up, and it changed the display and everything like that. So right now, you can do it in that way. But other than that, I usually just keep the valves closed, especially if it's early in the morning, things like that. Alright, so I'm about to put it in sports mode and open it up. And it makes a little difference. And if you can hear the burbles and all that good stuff, it just does that more with the valves being open and stuff like that. Now, on my first one, when I had a catless down pipe with the, I think that was a arc titanium exhaust I had, man, oh my goodness, it was whew. But it's not really a big deal to me right now, because if things goes as planned, I really want the fucking FI exhaust, but it's like 3,000. But you know, that's enough of me talking. I'm just driving so you can hear the POV and shit like that. Right here is the car wash that you go to. Self-wash, of course. I taking my baby through no goddamn And what's crazy, these washes right here, I think they messed up or something. So it's like when you put a couple quarters in, it just keep going, bro. It don't never stop. All right, I'm here. So we finna wash it. For the car wash gurus, please don't kill me, bro. But this is just a little kit I picked up, man. If this is incorrect or not the right thing, please do not shoot me, find me, or anything like that, bro. I'm sorry. But it get the job done for what I have going on, so it works for me. Like I said, this little watch is kind of janky, bro. So some days you put $1 in here, bro, and it just keep going, bro. It might never stop. So, you know, I'm gonna try to get little cinematic portions here and there, but ain't no telling with how janky the thing might be. It might, you know, I don't know, but we finna figure it out, though. So I didn't get to get the full POV thing because everybody had kept calling, but I took it to get a car wash. As you can see, it looked better. I left my damn towel, so you can see them little shrieks and stuff in there. Man, it kind of pissed me off, but it is what it is at this point. But other than that, I'm gonna do another one updated video coming up. So I think what's going on, it's supposed to be a meet or something coming up, and if I'm in the area or some of the guys going down there, I'm gonna drive down there. But other than that, you can see I'm washing in certain spots and it left the streaks and stuff like that. This shit pisses me off. But it's probably the little kit that I use. So it's a chemical guys down there in the Austin area. So I think that's Round Rock. So if I end up going down there, I'm gonna just pick that up and rewash it with their kit. I probably should have just got that one to begin with, but I didn't. Just try something new and see. So like in certain spots, you can see that like. But I mean, it is what it is. It'll buff. I'll fix it. But other than that, yeah, that was pretty much it. Just the POV that I want to get y'all. Sorry that I couldn't get as much as I wanted to, and all the other stuff without getting a ticket and all that. So you know how that go. But yeah, just want to get y'all that little update and just show y'all a little some how it sounds with the catted down pipe and the stock exhaust. So like I said, trying to figure out if we're gonna do a FI exhaust, which is about 3,000. Or if I want to do an Omnitrix exhaust, I forgot how much that costs. I was even looking in the chat to see if somebody was selling one local that I could go pick up and stuff like that. But you know, it depends on what things plays out when that time's come. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that.